Welcome to another happy birthday card tutorial. Keep watching to see all of the supplies and a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this card. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. The first step is to draw out the design using your pencil on whatever base paper or cardstock you're using. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, the next step is to simply outline everything in black. So I started with a thin black pen. This is a Faber-Castell pen in size or thickness F, and I started with the bow at the top of the card. And then I simply just worked my way around all of the other various card elements and outlined them in black, or essentially just traced over the pencil lines that I'd previously drawn. So I obviously did all of the circle elements until I'd completed that. And then with the same thin black pen, I went in and I drew in the lettering. So essentially the words happy and then birthday. Once you've completed that, you're ready to add in the color. So I decided to make the bow silver, so I took my silver pen. This is a silver Recollections pen from Michaels. The exact pen that I'm using is linked in the description box below. And I, in essence, just colored in the bow at the top of the card or the top of the design there. And then I made the present outline, or I guess kind of the dots that make the present outline, gold. So I just went around and colored all of those in. And then finally, I colored the dots around the base there, kind of on either side of the present, in silver, just to give a bit of contrast. As a final step, I went back in with my thin black pen, and I simply just did some touch-ups on the outlines of all of the various elements. However, this step is entirely optional and may or may not be needed, depending on how good of a job or how careful of a job you did coloring everything in. And once you've completed any final touch-ups, this happy birthday card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks so much for watching.